Hey guys, welcome back to Trusted Technology. Today we'll talk about how YouTube just broke all dislike browser add-ons. Let's head into it. YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform and the internet's second most visited website after Google, with billions of users worldwide. The company recently made significant changes to the platform and decided to hide the number of dislikes on videos. Google announced a month ago that it would remove dislike counts from all videos on the YouTube video platform. Dislike counts are made private, but the dislike button will remain available to users according to the announcement. Google ran an experiment earlier this year on YouTube, which tested whether the removal of the dislike count would protect creators from harassment and reduce dislike attacks. Viewers who were selected for the experiment could interact with the dislike button, but the count was not displayed. The data showed a reduction in dislike attacking behavior, according to Google. The company has not published the data of the experiment. Google's conclusion was to hide the dislike count on YouTube. The change is rolling out to all users over time, and the rollout of the change started on November 10, 2021. At least some YouTube users will be displeased with the change. While YouTube doesn't display like and dislike counts on its search results pages, some have used the information in the past to determine whether to watch a video. Google admits as much. We heard during the experiment that some of you have used the public dislike count to help decide whether or not to watch a video. We know that you might not agree with this decision, but we believe that this is the right thing to do for the platform. Now, with dislikes not being displayed publicly anymore, that option is removed from the site. While the comment section may provide an answer, it requires additional time, and some users might ignore the comment section because it's often filled with useless comments. The like count doesn't reveal much about how helpful or good a video is. Take the YouTube Rewind 2018 video. It has 220 million views and 3 million likes. Sounds like a great video, does it? Problem is, the dislike count is at 19 million currently, which means that it's one of the worst ratios on YouTube. What's changing with dislikes starting today? Based on what we learned, we're moving forward with making the dislike count private across YouTube. This means that the dislike button is staying, but the number of dislikes on a video will only be available to creators in studio and not visible to the public on its video page. The change is gradually rolling out starting today. It seems they really want users to forget about the counter. With these third-party extensions no longer working, it looks like there's no other way for YouTube users to see the dislike count now. But who knows? Maybe someone will figure out a way to see the dislike count, or YouTube themselves may revert the changes. We really hope YouTube brings back the dislike button counter, since it's an integral part of the platform. YouTube co-founder predicts decline of the platform following removal of dislikes. Jawed Karim, the third co-founder of YouTube, has condemned the platform's removal of public dislike counts on videos, suggesting that the change will lead to YouTube's decline. Why would YouTube make this universally disliked change? There's a reason, but it's not a good one, and not one that will be publicly disclosed, writes Karim. The ability to easily and quickly identify bad content is an essential feature of a user-generated content platform. Why? Because not all user-generated content is good. Karim has been getting his own message out in an unusual way by editing the description to the first video ever uploaded to YouTube, a clip titled "Me at the Zoo," which stars the 25-year-old Karim himself. Karim originally edited the description of the video a few days ago to read, "Whenever YouTuber agrees that removing dislikes is a stupid idea, it probably is. Try again, YouTube, facepalm emoji." But this morning, he changed the description once again to give a more detailed condemnation. The ability to easily and quickly identify bad content is an essential feature of a user-generated content platform, writes Karim. Why? Because not all user-generated content is good. It can't be. In fact, most of it is not good, and that's okay. The process works, and there's a name for it: the wisdom of the crowds. What do you think about YouTube removing dislikes? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.